Ito yung side nyo, ito side lang yun.
Ayun, sobrang importante nung kasi yun nga, matalo kami yun, tapos ulubog kami, mas mahihirapan kami. So, yun, we're lucky and we're grateful na nanalo kami yan and we have Benny.
Nabanggit mo na si Benny, kamusta ulit yung dynamic with him dito? Again.
His first game, pero kita naman natin talaga, binigay na talaga yung best niya to get the win. So, yeah, we're happy.
CJ kasi yung last basketball kanina for the eventual scoreline. Officially, 5,000 points club. Masabi mo na to.
Ilang taong ko ba ngayon? 7 years. I'm honored and grateful na nakarating ako dun sa and we know naman na since rookie year ko, I'm a scorer. So, I'm happy na umabot ako.
Was it something na aware ka entering this game and medyo may gigil ba kasi medyo nag-struggle ka from the field?
Actually, struggle talaga today. Parang medyo may gigil. Kasi yun nga, kailangan namin manalo. But, yeah. Hindi naman ako na-pressure dun sa 5K. Talagang just play our game.
Hindi mo, dahil si Benny nandito na kasi the past year, struggling kayo talaga makahanap ng import na talagang fit sa iyo. Feeling Benny, kasasol na yan.
I think yun yung na nakawalang passion sa team namin eh. Every import conference talaga nahihirapan. Nag-fit talaga sa San Miguel. Ayun,